Lit stars are popular for decorating year-round, but storing them can be challenging. Until now. Introducing the new LED folding star by Crinkle Traditions that uses an innovative design to display big and store small. The reinforced plastic frame assembles in seconds. Unfold the star on a flat surface, making sure the external wires are pushed aside. Line up the center bracket and snap the clasps into place. Continue to do this around the star, snapping the other clasps into place on both sides. Your star is now ready. To disassemble, simply take a flathead screwdriver and with slight pressure, release the clasps. Then fold the star back down to its original compact storage size. These new stars are outdoor rated. They feature fully rectified LED lights to eliminate flickering, and each star comes with both a stackable male plug and an additional female plug, so you can easily string multiple stars together for larger displays. Lightweight and dazzling, these beautifully lit stars come in sizes ranging from 32 to 48 inches and are available in cool white or warm white lights. Place them along walls, windows, or roof surfaces, or hang them from porches or trees. The possibilities are endless, and these new folding LED stars will make your events and holiday displays look amazing.